Hi, welcome to Milgat Farms. I got stuff on the camera lens again. How can you see me? Welcome to Milgat Farms. My name's Kevin, along with my beautiful wife Emily. We're the proud owners of Virginia's only USDA certified organic maple syrup farm. That's a lot and it's fast. That is a lot. Today we're moving chickens and turkeys and maybe even some ducks. I don't know. First thing we got to do though is we got to get them ready. We got to get a pen ready for them. And that's the pen right there that we're gonna get ready. So I'm gonna take this pen right here. It's going on that side of our lawn. We can restart them and we'll bring it around the edge over there. Eventually they'll make their way around. I'm not sure we're gonna go back up that hill over there. That doesn't make a lot of sense to me. What I'm gonna do is get this thing moved. Once that's done, we'll get some birds and stick in it. You might not be able to tell from this perspective, but this one's about 4 to 6 inches taller than our other chicken tractors. Now, I made it that way so I can put turkeys in it, and that's what we're getting ready to do. We have birds everywhere on the farm, to include our basement, the tack room. There's 2 sets in the tack room. There's like 2 sets of birds in one stall, 1 set of birds in the other stall, and of course all the birds who are on pasture. And that's what we're getting ready to do. We're going to take the turkeys out of the barn, put them into this chicken tractor that I made really tall, or not really tall, but a little taller, just for those turkeys. Do you hear that behind me? That's one of the cows chewing the chain on the fence. They'll pretty much eat anything. Kind of like a sheep we used to have. We called her Goat, because she ate everything, including the wires off my side-by-side, my lawnmower. It was terrible. So right now, I need to get this chicken tractor moved right here so that we can get the chickens in. And that way, all I gotta do is drive down the driveway to water and feed them. Let's go. Yeah, they're poofing up. All right, that's kind of fun. Let's see what that looks like. That's called a tom. There's 2 of them.
Actually, there's a ton. One.
Oh, there's a bunch of them.
I almost got one.
Go grab it. If you want to grab it, grab one. Hold on. Stay away from the camera. I can grab one.
I don't want to hold the legs. That's when we hold the legs to process.
Put her in the back. Come on.
Yikes.
What'd you say?
Oh, you get out here. There's 1, 2, 3. Come on. Let's get the chickens and let them stay in. That was easy.
I'll do easy later. Oh, come on.
That was just mine. That one happened.
Ouch. Stop, silly goose.
Those 2 are rusting because that one, the white one, gets ran over every time.
Alright, dude, wait a second.
Last one. That's hooray, let's go.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it too.
Now we're heading up to put them in a chicken tractor. Or in this case, turkey tractor.
You can't either, you're shaking.
These cameras have stabilization in them.
That means when they're stable.
That means that it takes that shake out of it. Yeah, let's hope so. So I am absolutely, look, I'm covered in poop from head to toe. It was only 10 minutes, if that. I couldn't believe it. But unlike myself, Gabriel got some in his mouth. So he's going to brush his teeth.
The door, buddy.
Hit the door, bud. How they smell?
Wow.
Oh, there's a face.
And it's all up right here. Your turn, Tack. You're it.
Okay, here, switch.
Get away.
Oh my gosh, did you stink? Come on, Gabe.
Go to Daddy.
Man,
You want to hand me that jar too? Chrissy said she left.
shower before dinner.
Oh yeah. Chrissy said that she left 3 dozen.
Yeah, there's 1 dozen already. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't see. I saw 2, but I didn't see a 3rd one. Hey, Gabriel, how'd that turkey poop taste?
Good. Well, now I'm not peeing my mouth and tastes good.
You got what?
Pee in my mouth.
You got pee in your mouth? Turkeys don't pee, buddy.
When I got pee in my mouth.
It's like poop. Poop and pee, that's what they do. In one fell swoop.
I know. Look at pee together.
Yep. Ugh. Our next adventure is to get all those birds that are in the floor into the brooder.
Holy hell. What brooder is that?
No, the brooder over here, buddy.
Of course.
Gabe is putting them in a bucket. Let me show you that part.
Daddy, my too. Oh! This is heavy. There's more.
Answer the door. No.
Don't go that fast. Daddy, stop.
Okay, put it down. Where's the paint paddles or the scrapers?
Dude, you didn't look with your eyes. Scrape, scrape, scrape.
Huh? I'll show you what we gotta do in here.
I'm ready to.
I am thoroughly embarrassed by this floor. It is nasty. We gotta get these birds out, but first we're gonna redo something. Come on here, Gabe.
I don't want to get the big ones unless they catch me.
These little guys here.
No, the ones in the cage.
Let's come on, we gotta get these fixed. So So what we're gonna do, Gabe, is we're gonna pull all these white ones out, and we're gonna put the ones, the layers that are in the brooder inside of here. Okay? Come on, let's shut that door behind you. Shut the door behind you. Get the bucket and we'll get a bucket of chickens again.
What?
A bucket of chickens! Out of the brooder. Come on. Not those. Okay, what we are going to do, we're going to get that brooder in here, buddy. I need your help. So, Brett, tell them what we're going to do next.
We have to get those chickens into the
Brooder?
brooder.
Okay, you want to film? Here, you hold the camera. You film and I'll do it. All right. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Come on. Ooh, so many flies.
This is what it looks like.
Oh, these are dirty little creatures.
Oh, hello. Actually, they're big. Where's the Silky? The Silky head? Where is him?
I don't know.
If you see a white and a silky heady, like a head with a fluff. Yep, that's the Silky. Hello.
They gotta get clean. They're so dirty.
Yeah, they need to get clean.
These birds are gonna be here for probably 3 weeks, and then they're gonna go in the stall.
Hello.
Come on, Gabe, we gotta get rid of poop.
Back.
Get out of the way.
Back.
Get out of the way,
Oh, my
boy.
crotch.
What?
You hit my crotch.
That is disgusting. Man, it's so heavy too. Crunch.
The middle one didn't crunch.
Maybe because the tire's flat. Sonata! Havana! Come here, Sonata. Come here, Sonata. Sonata, what are you doing? Hi, Havana. How are you? Hey, Sonata. Hi, Havana. These are our resident alpacas. So it ended up being a really good day today. I got some work done in my office, which is always nice. We got a little bit of rain, although we don't have enough that's gonna keep our spring going, that's for sure. Maybe we'll get some tomorrow, who knows? But we have not had a good rain for probably 2 or 3 months. We got a lot done today, we really did. We moved the cattle up there, let me show them to you. Cattle went around the barn, so they're eating close to the barn right now. There's a couple of them over there, but for the most part, they're eating up around the barn. That's a good thing, I don't have to cut the grass. We got the chickens moved out of the house, out of the tack room, maybe some more put in the tack room. A couple moved into a stall. The turkeys moved onto the pasture. Oh, that was really good. I can't tell you how bad they smelled. Tomorrow we're going to be helping a lady process. She watched some of our videos and she came out and looked at one of our chicken tractors. She built one, ordered chickens, raised them, but she couldn't find somebody to process. So she's going to bring them to the farm tomorrow and we're going to show her how we do it. And hopefully she's going to have fun with that. Right, that's my wife. She's not wearing a bra.
Shut up! I'm not. They're torture devices. So, like hooter hangers on the floor.
Okay.
You better not put that in.
Oh no, I'm not going to put that in. Yeah, we'll see.
Alright.
So now we got the water done. I don't normally do water at night, but since we're going to process tomorrow, I want to make sure I have as many chores done tonight that I can, so it makes tomorrow that much easier. We still got about 30 gallons in there, and that's about all we'll need in the morning to feed the chickens and the turkeys and everybody on the farm. Hi, Nico. What's up, Porter?
Porter's got some gray around his ears.
Porter's got gray? Well,
He's got like two tufts of gray back here.
Hold on a second. You might have seen the video of our rescue steer. That's him right there. His name's Neko. Neko, you say hi to everybody.
Isn't he pretty?
So like a lot of meat steers, they won't let you come up to him. But Neko here, we do, buddy. Now I can't hug him like I do butterfly. Can I? Can I hug you, big boy? Ow! Let me rub you on the waddle. Come here. Oh, that waddle feel good? Ouch! Quit licking me. Go! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! So that's Mr. Neko. You gonna come over and give me a hug?
You want me to hold it so that way I can
Yeah.
capture the essence
Capture
of
the
your
moment. Let me get my hands
relationship?
back.
That's the brisket. Yum, yum. It's like resting his head on you.
Okay. See you later. That was sort of clean. Yeah, right now, Neko, we gotta go, buddy. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't come out. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Isn't that weird? You never know where they're going to lay. Thanks for watching our video. Do consider giving us a thumbs up. And until next time, God bless you. Do you see me? Oh, I am filthy. I think I'm going to go inside and give my wife a big fat hug and a kiss.